Program 6 is to implement naive-Bayes classifier. To implement the naive-Bayes classifier, we can use a built-in Java class or API and then calculate the parameter like accuracy, precision and recall for the considered data set. The data set here consider two columns. Column 1 consists of text message and column 2 is considered as a target which takes upon the two different value called positive, negative. We'll import the required pandas package as PZ, as PD, and then read the dataset by calling the function read underscore CSV. And we assign for the first column a name called message and for the second column the name called label. Then we will find out what is the dimension of the dataset. So you can see the dimension of the dataset. It contains 18 different rows, text messages and 2 columns. So now using the label map to identify the target positive with a value 1 and negative with a value 0. We are calling upon the label dot map. Next, I am trying to display what is the text message contained within the first column in the dataset. So you can see in this slide that it prints the column message. Next, in this slide, I am trying to print the second column, that is label, the target in the dataset which takes upon two value 1 and 0. 1 is for positive and 0 for negative. So here the considered data set is being divided into two sets, training set and test set. So we'll consider 80% as a training set and remaining 20% as a test set. Next, we will try to split the data set into training set and test set by calling upon a built-in function called train test split. And you can see here the syntax of this train test split function, which is being imported from a sklearn package. From sklearn.model selection, we are importing a package called train test split. So train test split function takes upon X, that is our first column in the data set, the message, and Y is the target that takes upon the value positive and negative. And then the data set is divided into X train, X test, Y train, Y test. So I am just trying to print upon the split data set. Next, we are trying to import count vectorizer from sklearn. Count vectorizer converts a collection of text document to a matrix of token count. Next, we call upon the function fit transform for X train so that it displays the required number of rows and columns in the form of a matrix. Next, I call upon the transform function for X test. So transform function transform the document to a document term matrix. It extracts the token counts out of a raw text document using the vocabulary which is fitted within it. Once transformed, then I try to extract the feature names present within the first column of the dataset by calling the function feature names. I represent them in the form of a tabular for every single word in the text message obtained from the dataset. Then we represent the sparse matrix. Then I import multinomial naive-Bayes function from sklearn for X-train and Y-train dataset. Then we predict by calling the function predict. Next, I import matrix from sklearn that prints what is the accuracy of the classifier for Y test. And we call upon here the function called accuracy score, where how we calculate the accuracy. Accuracy score is calculated based on a simple formula where accuracy is equal to true positive ratio of true positive plus true negative divided by true positive plus true negative plus false positive plus false negative. And then we try to print the confusion matrix. Confusion matrix is a summary of prediction results on a classification problem. So we print the confusion matrix for Y test. Next, we need to compute what is recall. Recall is defined as the ratio of total number of correctly classified positive example divided by total number of positive example. So recall is equal to true positive divided by true positive plus false negative. What is precision? Precision is we divide the total number of correctly classified positive example by total number of predicted positive example. So precision is equal to true positive divided by true positive plus false positive. So we print the recall and precision for Y test. Thank you.